JunkFoodTasterDotCom episode 3005. Yep, and I got the chicken box here. Yeah, it's by McDonald's. Yeah, it's a big box, and I'm just opening it, I think. And inside are chicken nuggets and chicken wings. So very awesome. And with this you get three different kind of dips. Alright, and I guess let's go to the cutting procedure. I get a chicken nugget and also a chicken wing. Here we go. Yeah, let's cut it. Here we go. I always cut stuff. Okay, so the chicken nugget is sort of, chicken mash or something with a coating. Yeah. Okay. And the chicken, the contrast to this, the chicken wing is like all natural chicken stuff. Yeah. It's quite good. We have this here. We can now see clearly the difference. Okay. Here's no real cutting. Can separate it with your hands actually. And I'm going for the chicken wing first. So we all have a mini battle. Tasty. I think spicy. So I'm eating from here now. Okay. Yeah, quite nice. Now the chicken thing and chicken nuggets stand alone. Now this is different of night and day. The chicken wing is like full of flavor. Yeah, and this is like half a baking product because of the coating. I don't like the, so I guess this is draw and this is win. Yeah. Okay, now I'm sort of testing the sauces. I'm starting off with sweet sour sauce. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Juicy. Sweet. Not really sour. A little bit. It's not a bad sauce. It feels like a jam or something. Anyway, here comes the next sauce, curry. Check this out as well. Yeah, what's your favorite McDonald's sauce? You know, curry. Rich flavor, hot. It's definitely hotter than the sweet sour. Okay, the sweet sour was not meant to be hot. Okay. It's quite good. Yeah, quite strong also. Last but not least, I try out the barbecue sauce. And yeah, I don't know how awesome this will be. And I'm taking a lot as well. Here we go. Okay. It's warm. Sweet and smoky and sour. I think this is far more sour than the sweet sour. Has some intense vinegar flavors. Yeah. Third and fourth ingredients are vinegar types. Okay. So I'm kind of liking this box. It's not bad. Yeah, overall I think a win. Yeah, if you dip this chicken nuggets into sauce, it's just a carrier for this. It's a good carrier for sauce, basically. There we go, win. But if you want to have like a proper chicken eating experience, you go for the chicken wings. Although it looks a little bit nasty and stuff, but it tastes better. Okay. So review is over. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, guys. Oh, so here comes German. Gut, jetzt gibt es die Chicken Box und ja, das ist halt so eine Box mit links halt Chicken Nuggets, rechts Chicken Wings Und kann man sich 3 Dips aussuchen. Ich habe jetzt hier Curry. Curry ist scharf und relativ intensiv. Süß-sauer ist die absolute, ja, das ist sehr weich, fast wie eine Marmelade, nicht wirklich krass sauer. Und Barbecue ist sehr stark Essig. Essig, rauchig, süß. Ist das. Genau, jetzt kann man auch hier sehr schön mal ein Chicken Wing und ein Chicken Nugget vergleichen. Also die Chicken Nuggets schmecken fast dann wie ein Backprodukt. Sieht man ja auch hier. Hier ist das Coating jetzt wirklich extravagant hier. Und ja, schmeckt nicht wirklich, ist halt ein guter Träger für die Soßen. Kann man schön in Soßen dippen. Während der Chicken Wing halt richtig ja, Grillhähnchen-Feeling ist und lecker. Kann man auch eine Art Pfeffer dran, noch würzig. Ja. Das ist ja wie Grillhähnchen eigentlich. Okay. Auf alle Fälle eine nette Box. Und ja, hat man was zum Futtern. Danke, dass ihr zugesehen habt und bis zur nächsten Folge.